Welcome to the online classes of Math and English Medium School. Our today's topic is cell division. So, let us discuss now what is cell division. Cell division is the basic fundamental process of life due to which the cell divides to form its daughter cells. Due to the cell division, the body can heal itself from the wounds. That is, the body can repair itself from the wounds. The cell division is basically of two types, mitosis and meiosis. So what is mitosis now? Mitosis is the process by which the cell duplicates all of its contents. Mitosis is the process by which the cell duplicates all of its contents, including chromosomes, to form the daughter cells. Okay? The mitosis process takes place in the somatic cells and stem cells of the body, whereas meiosis process takes place in the germ cells, that is the fertilization cells of the body. Our today's discussion point is mitosis only. So let us discuss the stages of mitosis. There are basically 5 stages of mitosis. This is been remembered with the 5-finger technique. Let us see now. This is called PMATC. What is P? P for prophase, M for metaphase, A for anaphase, T for telophase, and C for cytokinesis. That is PMATC. We are going to discuss them in detail, but before that, let us see what is chromosome, because to understand this mitosis process, we have to understand what is a chromosome. Here we have prepared the diagram of chromosome. Here you can see that double V-shaped structure is there, and this double V-shaped structure, you can see the DNA is present inside this structure. This is called as the chromosome. At the center of the chromosome, there is a part that is called as the centromere. Centromere is the center of these two sister chromatids of the chromosomes. During cell division, these sister chromatids get separated at different poles and form the new cells. Okay. So this is the basic structure of the chromosome of the DNA. Okay. What is chromosome? You can say that chromosome is the condensed form of the DNA. DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid and chromosome is the condensed part of the DNA. Okay. Now let us start the 5 stages of the mitosis. The first stage, that is the prophase. During the prophase, the nuclear envelope, that is the envelope around the nucleus, starts to disappear, and the chromosomes, which are thin thread-like structure, starts to condense. They start to condense and they become clearly visible in the nucleus of the cell. This is the first basic fundamental step of the mitosis, that is called as the prophase. The second stage now, that is the metaphase. In the metaphase stage, the nuclear envelope completely disappears and the chromosome becomes completely visible along with their sister chromatids. These are called as the sister chromatids at the equatorial plane in a parallel position. This stage is known as the metaphase stage. The third stage is the anaphase stage. During anaphase stage, the centromere disintegrate and the sister chromatids are pulled apart from each other at opposite poles due to the spindle fiber. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss the detail of these spindle fibers, centromeres, the sister chromatids. Okay, and these sister chromatids reach at the opposite poles and they find the opposite pole position. This stage is known as the anaphase stage. The fourth stage is known as the telophase stage. At the telophase stage, the nuclear membrane starts to reappear and the chromosome starts to decondense and they become thin thread-like structures to form two separate nuclei at two opposite poles of the cell. The last stage of the mitosis stage is known as the cytokinesis. Cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. At the cytokinesis stage, the cytoplasm divides due to the formation of the notch at the center of the cell, and it results into the formation of two separate daughter cells, due to the formation of two separate nuclei and separate DNA structures. You can see here we have discussed the 5 stages of mitosis. We can also discuss here the diagram of mitosis. So what does this diagram say? In the red dot we can see this is the DNA of the cell. Due to DNA replication, what is DNA replication? DNA replication is the amplifying or the duplication of the copies of the DNA, means increasing the number of DNA. Okay. Due to the increasing number of DNA, the sister chromatids starts to condense and they appear along with each other. In the next stages that we have discussed in the mitosis stage, they separate to form two separate daughter cells. Remember always, during mitosis, a single cell gives two separate daughter cells as compared to the meiosis in which a single cell gives rise to four daughter cells. This is the basic difference between mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, one cell forms two cells, and in meiosis, one cell forms four cells. This is the basic difference. Okay. In the next lecture, we're going to discuss the basic of the 5 stages of mitosis along with the diagram and the meiosis stage. Okay. So kindly copy down these notes given on the boards, and thanks for watching.